it's Brynlee and
Ellie
from Sister Approved. And today we're gonna be making 4th of July drinks.
So I'll be making a drink with any type of blue color drink, and then you'll need some Swedish fish, a cup, red vines, and some ice, because red vines work the best. So what you'll do first is put a bunch of ice in your cup. And then you'll put your blue drink in. And then you're gonna put some Swedish fish in. And then you'll have the red vine and just cut off the top and the bottom for the straw. So you're gonna put the red vine in, and here's your drink.
So what I'll be making is the 4th of July 3-layer drink. And so you'll need a red, white, and blue colored drink, and you'll pour the most sugar drink that has the most sugar in first. So that is the Sprite. So let me just pour that. And then, after you're done pouring that, you'll take a handful of ice and put it in. So I'm just gonna do that. And it will fizz for a second, but that's okay. And then you'll put the one that has the second most least sugar you want to call, and that is the blue Powerade. And then you'll put a little bit more ice. Just a couple though. And then you'll pour the least amount of sugar in, and it's the red drink. And then also, like Ellie used, I'm gonna take the red vine, and I'm just gonna cut the two ends off, the top and the bottom. Just cut it till it opens like that, and then you'll cut the bottom. And then it's like a little straw for. Those are so good, and they also are kid approved.
Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll be posting a video every Wednesday.
And also make sure to follow us on Instagram and comment down below what drink you guys tried. Bye-bye. See you next Wednesday.